Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk you about a tool called Microsoft Power Toys. So basically Microsoft Power Toys, as we know, it's a set of the utilities and which is basically for the power users. So if you want to work very faster in your system, then this tool can be really useful. So I usually use this tool in my system. I want to share it with you guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install this tool in your system and what are the basic features which can be really useful while working using this utility. So if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So firstly, to install this Power Toys, you have to go in Google and type Power Toys release. So once you click on Power Toys release, you will get this link. Click on it, and then let me first remove this so that you will not get confused with this. So just scroll down, and here in assets part you will find this link, Power Toys setup x64. This is for the 64-bit. so click on it and it will get installer file get installed on your system. To open this application, go and type Power Toy. So you will get this option of Power Toys preview. Click on it and this will open the application in your system. So if you get this error, it means that .NET Core is not installed in your system. So this will run automatically, this installer. Wait till it get completed. So once it get completed, you have to click on yes. And this will lead you to this link. Here you have to go here and click on this recommended option. And from here, go to Windows part and click on 64 to install the 64-bit installer of .NET, and just install this installer in your system. So now once you install .NET in your system, you can go and type Power Toys. So once you click Power Toys, this application will get open, hopefully this time without any issue. And so once it get open in your system, what you have to do, just go and click on this button, restart as administrator. So this will run this Power Toy as an administrator, and you have to run it is like this for use it as setting. Now just click Control plus space and this will open this run command. And here you can type anything, like type command or type control panel, and you can directly get all the result here. If you want to off it, just again click Control plus space and it will remove from here. So this is very useful if you are extensive user. You don't have to open the run window every time. You can directly search it from here and use it. So if you want to see the settings of the Power Toy, what you have to do, you can see this icon here. Just right click on it and click on settings. So this window will again appear in your system, and here in the left hand side you will get all the related settings of the Power Toys, like power rename, image resizer. So here you can also, if you want to add another size other than this, you can add size from here, and you can get this details, all the details here, every settings here. So I can show you example of this image resizer and this renaming. So let's take an example. Here I have this 3 image of the bell. I'm going to right click on it, and you can see there is a option I'm getting, resize pictures. So I can directly use this resize picture and I can make a fixed size which is usually or oftenly required by me. So I can put it here and I can directly resize this image to this size. So this is one of the very useful thing. You don't have to use Paint application every time to resizing. You can fix it and you can use it directly from here. And also this power rename. So power rename is how it can be useful. We will use the same example. So here there are 3 images and I am going to use this power rename. So I can rename them at once. I don't have to go there and right click and go to the rename. Just type bell and you can see I'm giving the name new name. So I'm going to replace this bell with the new name, and for all the 3 images it's going to change. So like that I don't have to go every time and rename it and right click on it and just go to rename. You can use this directly. So this is also useful and it's also make your work very faster. So keyboard manager is also useful. So like if you want to map any of your key which you use oftenly, and you can change it here. Like now I am going to give you example here. If you want to change number pad 0 to number pad 7, so now you press 0, so it will give you 7. So this kind of setting and remapping can you also do in your keyboard with this application. And other than this, remap shortcut. So if you want to make any shortcut more easy, you can use it here. Like I'm going to show you, like Control plus, let's take example of Control plus V, and I can change it to Control plus anything. Let's take Control plus N. So Control plus V will behave like Control plus N. So like that you can also remap your shortcuts with this thing and use it with this utility. Also this is a shortcut guide. If you press Windows key for a long time, you will get all the shortcut guides related to Windows. So here I press it for a long time and you can see all the guide appears here, like whatever the shortcut means, like for A, open action center, and for I, open settings, like that everything appears just I pressed Windows for a long time. So this is the very useful thing. You will get all the details here. So these are all the things related to PowerToys which are very helpful and useful. So this is a fancy zone. So if you consider you are doing multitasking, you can set the keys here and you can use it in your while working in the multiple screens. So this is the very useful tool. So there are many other options in PowerToys you can use. And also if you want to stop this PowerToy to working, you can right click on this PowerToy key option and click on exit. So you will exit from the utility, and all the setting will not work now. So like this you can exit from the PowerToy. So I hope this video is really prove helpful to you. If it helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.